All right, hey guys, again, we are going to explore or recap the mean and the count if functions, okay, for Excel. So again, mean means average, right? So if I had the following data set, 5, 6, 9, and 10, I could calculate the average or the mean of that data set. How? Go in equals, type in the word average, open a parentheses, grab those things you want to find the average of, end your parentheses, and hit enter. 7.5 is as easy as that, okay? That's mean. Now let's talk about the count function or count if function. So let's say we have, I ask people their favorite kind of animal. You have someone says dog, someone says cat, another person says dog, another person says dog, someone says cow, someone else says cat, someone else says bird, someone else says dog. You have another cat, and another bird. Okay, and we want to do some counts. So I'm going to come over here and make a little table just to record my results. I want to know how many people said dog, how many people said cat. We had cow in there, and it looks like bird, and those are the only other ones we have. So next to dog, I'm just going to shrink that up. I'm going to say equals. We're going to count if, and what that means is in the selection of data, the Google Sheets is going to count if it meets a certain criteria. So it's going to count the number of things that say whatever you want. So we're going to count if this selection here, and we're going to hit comma, and this is where you type in the criteria. You got to use quotes. We're going to say dog. Okay, so basically what you're telling it is count the number of times dog shows in that list. Boom, 4. Okay, same thing for cat, equals count if, open the quotes or open parentheses, grab that selection again. So count if in there, in that list, comma, and now we're going to do cat, but again, you have to put it in quotes like that, enter. Same thing for cow, equals count if. In here, we see the word cow. How many times does the word cow show up? Only once. And bird, I think, was also 1, but let's check. Count if. We see count if. Okay, use that list as your reference source. And we're going to count for bird and hit enter. Oh, there's 2. There's 2 birds. Okay, so I was wrong. All right. So that's the count if function. Now you might be thinking, okay, mean was easy, count if is easy. Why would I care? Especially with count if. I can easily count those. Oh yeah? Okay, probably so. What about this? Do you want to go through and count those one by one? Okay, so again, let's let count if make our life really easy. So with action, I'm going to do equals count if, and this is for movies, right? Count if, and this is where we select our list. So select from B, what is that, 30, I think, all the way down to, B 85, and then we're going to hit comma, come back up there, B 30 to 85, comma. Sorry, it's kind of moving around. It's right there. Okay, there we go. Comma, and then we're going to want the word action, and we got to put it in quotes. A-C-T-I-O-N, end your quotes, then end your parentheses, enter. 15. How about war? Equals count if, and it actually kind of comes up for you with suggestions. Sometimes they're good, sometimes they're bad. Oh, I should include 29 in that other one. I got to go back and fix it. That shouldn't be highlighted green. That's okay. Come down here. Boom. We're talking about counting for war movies this time. Hit enter. And guess what? 10. If I need to go back and fix something, all I have to do is double click in there. And it should have started not with B30, but with B29. So you can actually erase that and go to 29 and hit enter. And now it's 16. Same thing for romantic comedy, equals count if. Again, we're counting this list here. Shouldn't have had that green highlighted, but you know what? Point of no return. And then again, this one is for, was this romantic comedy in this one? Romantic space comedy, and then end your quotes. It's not going to work unless you do quotes. Boom, 16 as well. You can do the same thing for horror and adventure. So I hope that makes sense. You guys are going to need to know how to use these 2 functions. All right, thanks.